Things that happen.
Today, the day started busy. I was having my breakfast when, after chewing and swallowing a piece of bread too fast, I started to hiccup. My mom laughed and said in that calm voice of someone who's seen it all, "Drink some water, but swallow slowly and it will stop." But me, being the genius of improvisation, decided to drink some soda, and by accident, I burped loudly. My sister laughed a lot, but the hiccup stopped. I ran to school and arrived a little late. The teacher asked the reason for my delay. I didn't want to say I was late because of the hiccup, and I started to stutter while thinking of something to say. My classmates started to laugh at me. The teacher smiled and told me to come in. I sat next to a boy who was chewing gum, coughing, and laughing. I told him, "You better take the gum out of your mouth. You might choke." Then he laughed louder and ended up choking on the gum. I quickly hit his back to help, and it worked. He spit the gum on the floor. The teacher asked me to pick it up and throw it in the trash. The gum was all wet, but I did it. Suddenly, I started to sneeze because of a smell coming from the trash can. Then I asked the teacher if I could go to the bathroom to blow my nose, because it was runny. Then I went back to the classroom, sat down, and started to yawn. I was tired and sleepy because of the stressful morning.
Like and subscribe to the channel.